Hi there and welcome to this episode of Simply Tech. I'm a big fan of the GoPro Hero 4. I tend to use it quite a lot for B-roll footage, but I thought given the advances since the Hero 4 has come out, it's time to upgrade to a brand new camera. And today we'll be looking at the CAMGO 4K action camera for $89. So the camera features the 2-inch HD LCD screen, 170 degree wide angle lens. It is waterproof to 30 meters with the housing that it comes with, and of course it is extremely lightweight. Now what I like about this purchase is you do get a whole heap of accessories. Let's have a look at those. A whole lot of supports, helmet mounts, as well as this neat remote control which attaches to one of the straps that it comes with. Now I'm going to throw some of the features up on the screen here whilst I get it ready and remove all the protective lining from it. Now I will be doing a separate video shortly showing how the camera connects to the app and all the features of the app, so hang tight for that. And I love what they've done with this user manual. It is 12 pages of bliss that gets straight to the point, labels all the parts, and in a few lines tells you how to operate each of the functions. Now let's have a bit of a closer look as to the construction. The only thing I didn't like about this is this battery cover. It tends to open quite easily and flip open just when you nudge it. But overall it is quite lightweight. It is a plastic construction, don't expect any metal here. The one thing that did impress me on this is the 2-inch LCD display. So we'll have a look at it right here. And the ease of use. So you've got the left button on the top to turn the video on and off, and you've got the right button to take pictures. It's quite simple. And if you're like me, you just want to take the camera out, start filming straight away. And I managed to go to the beach here on Boxing Day and capture some footage in the local bay. Just have a look at how good the reproduction is. Now the camera will film at 60 frames per second. The other thing is it doesn't have any internal storage. So you will need to install the SD card. It will prompt you to format the card, but you will need a reader to get the footage off that card and import it into your editor. In broad daylight, the color reproduction is okay, given that it isn't a massive sensor and it is 170 degrees wide. You will get a decent image which is grain free, so that obviously is a benefit, but if the light does drop a little bit, you will see that the image does have a bit of grain in it. Still, it is a bit of a trade-off for the price. So I hope to be using this in a lot more footage moving forward. And remember, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the like button, as it does help us out.